Everybody knows to reduce, reuse, and recycle. Everybody really wants to. But do we even know how to recycle well, at Taylor specifically?
Do we know where the recycled products go?
What kind of benefit are we making if we recycle? And what kind of problem are we causing if we don't recycle well?
Listen to us so you can be informed and without excuse for what you put in the trash.
Recycling provides many benefits in physical, economical, and environmental standpoints. Not only does it save jobs, but it also saves energy, raw materials, and landfill space. Did you know that in 2014, America recycled and composted 89 million tons of municipal solid waste, saving over 181 million metric tons of CO2 equivalent emissions, comparable to the annual emissions from over 38 million passenger cars? On the other hand, recycling the wrong way makes the business costly to keep. It decreases its market value. Contaminated recyclables clog machinery and create unsafe working environments for the worker.
There are many misconceptions about what you can and cannot recycle in general. Number 1, all plastic can be recycled. This is a misconception because plastic that is recycled has to be a minimum of 2 inches in 2 dimensions, and that plastic cannot have food waste on it. Number 2, all forms of glass can be recycled. This is a misconception because the only glass that has the ability to be recycled would be clear, brown, or green glass. Number 3, no electronics are able to be recycled. This is a misconception because the only electronics that aren't able to be recycled would include microwave, smoke detectors, thermometers, or a fridge.
Now that you know a little bit of the how about recycling, let's start talking about the how at Taylor. Every Taylor student will eat at the Larita Boren Student Center countless times in their experience. So we wanted to walk you through exactly how you can live out what you have learned right here at Taylor, because surely that's what we all want, practical ways to live out what we have learned. I will make it very simplistic for you. Chick-fil-A. Only the wrap and salad containers can be recycled from Chick-fil-A, but they must be at least wiped out. If bags do not have grease and are completely cleaned, they can be recycled in the paper bin as well. If the paper cup has water, you can recycle it, or if it has soda, make sure it is not sticky and then you can also recycle it. Plastic baggies with granola or nuts can also be recycled if washed out. At Dashi, you can also recycle the lid and the bin, but once again, they must be wiped out. Same with the salad line. Containers can be recycled but must be wiped out. The lid of the soup containers can also be recycled. For the pizza line, any part of the box that does not contain grease can be put in the paper bin. Milk cartons and plastic water and pop bottles can be recycled in the paper bin and don't have to be wiped out. How cool is that? Blueberry yogurt, Pringle cans, popcorn and pretzel bins, sushi containers, and tea bottles can all be recycled if they are rinsed or washed out. Not even in the food court can you recycle, but even while you're enjoying your drink at the Bean cardboard coverings and cups can be recycled as well. Now, here is a long list of what you cannot recycle, so you'll want to pay extra attention as I walk you through it. Everything I list off are items in the stew that cannot be recycled. Paper that covers the pears, sauce packets, Chick-fil-A boxes for sandwiches and fries, Chick-fil-A shake, donut bag or trail mix, soup containers, cracker wrappers, plates for pizza / the greasy part of pizza boxes, chopsticks and coverings, all granola bar and candy wrappers except Cliff Bars, chips or popcorn, peanut butter cups, plastic around sandwiches, carrot, egg, and celery packages, straws and lids, glass Starbucks drinks, lids of all plastic water bottles or pop bottles, silverware, plastic bags, and used napkins. Basically, if it doesn't have a triangle on it, it's not recyclable. If it does have a triangle on it, it will have a number inside of it as well, which will indicate what bin to throw into, whether it's in the student center or in the dorm or whatever other building you see on campus.
In urban areas, it's easy to recycle because most recyclables go into one bin, and this is called a single stream. At Taylor, we have to be extra cautious though, because we don't have a single stream. One of the biggest offenses to the recycling process is putting things in a bin that you think fit but actually don't. The bottom line It's better to be safe than sorry in the recycling process to save a whole bin of recyclables versus recycling one iffy thing.
After collection, recyclables are sent to a recovery facility to be sorted, cleaned, and processed into materials that can be used in manufacturing. Materials like newspapers, paper towel, laundry detergent bottles, office paper, insulation, jars and bottles, cans, and other aluminum products. The possibilities are virtually endless.
We hope you learned something from this PSA.
If you'd like to know more about recycling in Grant County, check out their website.